miniature pine wood table in 1/12 of the scale. This is perfect for dollhouse projects. Also, this is a table that is dining table, and because it does not have support below, so it's not very useful to be used as a working table in your miniature workshops or miniature conservatories or miniature garages. It's better to use in your miniature dollhouse, in the kitchen, in the dining room. Of course, you can use it for whatever you like. And this is high quality smooth pine wood that I use for crafting this. Entirely handmade. I cut from profiles from 1 meter long, so I totally handmade this table. This is 8 millimeters, and this is 3 millimeters profile, 3 millimeters by 1 centimeter planks, and this beams is 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And I'm gonna soon color it, maybe in another color, maybe white, maybe turquoise. Please tell me what color would you like this table to be seen in. What color should I color this next? Please comment below. Please give me a follow if you like my content, and I hope you like this strong pine wood miniature table. I love it. See you in the next video.